Custom Rollform Products has developed a complete fabrication system for the manufacturing of blower housings. We have developed a special lance lock seaming application to simultaneously interlock the blower housing venturi sides to the outer wrappers. This eliminated all the manual fixturing, spot welding, and assembly usually required. The system consists of two major components: the coil feed wrapper line and the assembly machine. The coil feed wrapper line is designed to punch, notch, roll form, and end form the blower housing wrappers in a variety of lengths, widths, punch and notch patterns, and end form configurations. The assembly machine is designed to feed and interlock the blower housing wrappers around the blower housing venturi sides. This system can assemble and produce 2 to 3 complete blower housings per minute. The coil feed wrapper line can be pre-tooled for a variety of notched, punched, and forming applications. Each manufacturer has individual design specifications necessary for their blower housing style. The basic system is designed to pre-notch and punch the strip and roll form a seam on both edge flanges. To this, we can add a variety of special embossing, beading, or end forming operations required for each blower application. Whenever possible, we want to produce a complete wrapper, inline and pre-tooled, to minimize any major setups for variations from part to part. This system has a dual mandrel decoiler to reduce changeovers for various coil strip widths. The pre-notch and punch dies are set up on adjustable die beds for a quick width variation changeover. The roll former and tooling are also set up on lead screws with micrometer readouts for a wide range of wrapper sizes. Feed length and hole pattern variables can be programmed from the microprocessor through simple keyboard entries. Standard parts and sizes are stored in memory for a simple batch quantity call-up. The system can be set up for a wide variety of end form applications, and embossed screw lances can be punched in line. This system has an optional pick-and-place part stacking system to produce 2 or 3 stacks of finished parts on each skid. The blower housing assembly machine is designed to interlock the preformed wrapper onto the venturi sides. The unique and flexible design of our blower housing assembly unit allows us to assemble and manufacture a wide variety of blower housing sizes, widths, and styles on the same assembly machine with little or no setup or changeover. You don't need a separate assembly machine for each size or blower housing style. Your high volume and low volume blowers can be produced on the same blower housing assembly unit, allowing you greater flexibility in your production capabilities. The operator loads a wrapper and 2 blower housing venturi sides into the assembly unit. Once loaded, it's an approximate 10-second feed form cycle to complete the part. This unit has a rear exit pick and a place to eject the parts, leaving the operator time to feed and load the next series of parts. With this design, there is no need for special offsets, notching, or flanges formed around the perimeter of the blower venturi sides. The blower sides snap onto the fixtures, requiring no external locking, clamping, or fixturing. The wrappers are slid through the guides onto a simple locator pin. On most applications, changing the size of the venturi can be completed in approximately 5 minutes. Width ranges are set up on lead screws and can be set in less than a minute. Feed form sequences are pre-programmed for all the blower housing sizes and styles. Simplifying the loading, setups, and changeovers, plus the ability of one assembly machine to produce all your blower housing sizes and styles, gives you greater flexibility and increased production capabilities. Let Custom Rollform show you a better way to solve your blower housing issues. This is just another example of the quality designs available through Custom Rollform Products.